Alright, this is one of the parking elevators at Douglas College in New Westminster, British Columbia. Here it comes. It's a Kone. I believe this one is a replacement. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, go 2. That's a lovely door close button.
Second floor.
That's a new voice as well. Okay. Yep. This one completely replaced. Definitely. So this one used to be in Montgomery, then it got modded by Kone with their Series 220. Now, a new complete replacement. And it's quite interesting if you ask me. And that is the new elevator here at the Douglas College. There it goes. That's it.